In today's instructional video, I'm going to go over Boogie Woogie idea number 3. This is one of my favorites. It's very, very practical. And it's basically based on what I call the blues pentatonic scale. The pentatonic scale is a 5-note scale. Turn up the volume here. All right. The pentatonic scale consists of the first, second, third, fifth, and sixth notes of the major scale. Okay, so the C pentatonic scale would be C, D, E, G, A, and then repeat it. Okay, so we're going to call this the blues pentatonic scale because we're going to add the blue note, which is the minor third. There's several blue notes, but the minor third is probably the defining blue note, if there is one particular defining blue note. So if we take the pentatonic scale, add the blue note, we get idea number 3. So here's the C idea, consisting of the first, second, minor third, major third, fifth, and sixth notes of the C scale. Okay, now idea number 3 is written out in triplets, so it's counted 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and excuse me. The fingering is very simple. It's always 1, 2, 3, and then thumb under. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so counting it would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and with the left hand, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and play very legato, right? And we got that left hand playing a long, short feel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so basically every other note of our right hand is going to land or coincide with our left hand. So on 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and that's why it's critical to count out loud, because you want to know exactly where you're at. This hand's coming in on the number and the this one is coming in on the number, the and the So every other note of this blues pentatonic scale will be lined up with this. It's going to sound like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and Now if we go to F blues pentatonic would be, those are the notes of the F pentatonic 5-note scale: 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6 of the major scale. This is the F pentatonic scale. And we're going to add the blue note, which we know to be the minor third of the F scale. So the F idea would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the G idea would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and So let's try 12 bars of this and see how it sounds. 1 and 2 and ready and go and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, the tricky part is to come back in time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Boom, jump right back to the starting point in time. So go slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and slow as you need to go and control it. Okay, again, the fingering is always 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 for every one. F blues pentatonic, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. G blues pentatonic, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then what you can do once you master that is come down. Looks a little bit different. So it'd be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so you can go upward for 12 bars, get that mastered, come downward for 12 bars. And then when you have two measures of the same harmony, you could go up and down. So for example, we'll go up, except for when we have two measures of the same harmony, and then I'll go up and down. It'll sound like this. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2. Now I have two measures of the same. Now I have two measures of F, so I'm going to go up and down. 2 and a 3 and a 4. 2 and a 3 and a 2. Okay, I'll show you some turnarounds and some cool endings. Okay, but that's basically Boogie Woogie idea number 3. Have fun and be sure to count it out loud. That's the key. Once you count it out loud, you'll understand where everything lines up, and then you'll have total control and you'll be able to improvise on that scale. For example, if I can see the scale, I can go. Okay, I can see that scale all over the place. So eventually we'll start on different notes. You don't always have to start on the C. Start on the blue note. Okay, so we'll have a lot of fun. The key is to be able to see this like your name. Okay, have fun, practice hard. If you'd like to view some more free instructional videos, just go to my website, pianoweb.com. Click on the YouTube icon, and that will link you over to my YouTube channel where I have over 30 free for the viewing instructional videos. Practice hard.